Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So last night we have a frozen temperature drop. This morning checking out my plants here, it's all completely toast. All the leaves are frozen burn. Hopefully my papaya still good, but look like I can see the leaves up there is turning yellow. It look like they are burnt. Not sure how it does after the cold weather pass through. See how we do over here. Got this one, I have a blanket on the top here, so it might help a bit, but that one is a bigger tree, but we got plenty of air in there. Hopefully it survive. This is my lemon tree. This is the papaya plant. It is completely toasted. There's gonna be another night today that it's gonna be freezing temperature. And here my water softener system there that I covered yesterday. My water main line into my building. Got a garden faucet here that I unhook the drip irrigation and cover up the faucet. Pretty cool. Alright, we'll walk around to the back of the house and see. And the temperature right now is 36 degrees, and look like, let me see, it's gonna drop down to 28 tonight, and then 32 in the morning tomorrow. Faucet right here, I got the sock on. Disconnect the garden hose. Got some aloe vera plants down here and some vegetable cover up. And some plants right here. This is like ginger and stuff, look like it's doing well. Got greenhouse right here. Hopefully all the plants in there doing good. And here I got a Logan plant right here, couple years old, no fruit yet. And more papaya here is toasted, frozen. Got some vegetable there, papaya. And here I have a big sugar apple plant here. It's covered up. And here I have a apple tree. It's probably gonna die after this cold. Got water barrel here. Bright Green Light New Orleans. They came and installed this for free. So if you want a water barrel, they can come to you and install it for free. It's pretty nice with a place where you get water out and next to your plants right there. And I got a second barrel right here. They painted up really nice, so you get to choose which type of barrel painting you want. They have it posted on their website. I got a June plum right here.